February 3rd, 2026, a date that will be etched into the memory of every New Yorker. As midnight strikes, the city is already in the grip of a storm that no one saw coming. At least, not like this. New York City, the city that never sleeps, is now buried in white silence. The blizzard has transformed gentle snow into a relentless storm, erasing the world outside. Streets that once pulsed with life are now deserted, blanketed in a thick, unforgiving layer of snow. The wind howls between the skyscrapers, carrying with it a warning that this is no ordinary winter night. Images flicker on screens, news broadcasts, social media feeds, showing a young man lost in Times Square, a family trapped in a frosted car, shivering as they wait for help. These aren't just stories, they're real people facing real danger. The city's emergency services are stretched thin, racing against time and the elements to reach those in need. The true peril isn't the snow itself, but the arrogance of underestimating nature's power. Every poor choice, venturing out for non-essentials, dressing for style over warmth, can become a fight for survival. People slip on hidden ice, their laughter quickly turning to panic. Others, thinking only of routine, brave the blizzard for groceries, unaware of how quickly conditions can turn deadly. The cold is merciless, exploiting every mistake. It seeps into apartments, turning homes into iceboxes. Frostbite and hypothermia threaten those who are unprepared. Survival isn't luck, it's knowledge and preparation. Stocking up on essentials, layering up, and knowing when to stay put. In moments like these, small decisions can mean the difference between comfort and catastrophe. In this storm, the lessons are clear. Respect nature, learn and prepare. The difference between safety and tragedy is razor thin, and the city's true strength is revealed not in its skyline, but in the resilience and wisdom of its people. As the blizzard rages on, every choice matters. Will you be ready when the next storm comes? It's easy to feel powerless in the face of a blizzard, but you're not. Survival is about understanding the basics, how your body reacts to cold, how to dress, how to move. We'll cover the essentials, layering, protecting extremities, recognizing hypothermia, and even how to walk safely on ice. This isn't about becoming an adventurer overnight. It's about being prepared, calm, and ready to help yourself and others. By the end, the storm will seem less menacing because you'll know exactly what to do. To survive in extreme cold, you must first understand your enemy, the cold itself. It's not just discomfort. It's a silent, relentless force that can overwhelm you before you realize what's happening. The body's response to cold is both remarkable and ruthless, prioritizing survival at the core. Your body fights to keep its vital organs warm, sacrificing fingers, toes, ears, and nose first. Blood vessels constrict, cutting off warmth to your extremities. Numbness and tingling are your first warnings. This is your body's way of protecting your heart and brain, but it comes at a cost. If you ignore these early signs, frostbite can set in quickly. Skin turns waxy, then black as tissue dies, a process that can happen in minutes during a blizzard. Even a small patch of exposed skin is vulnerable. The damage is often permanent, and the pain can be excruciating. Something as simple as losing a glove or getting your boots wet can mean permanent damage. Your body's warnings, numbness, pain or tingling are urgent signals to act. Ignoring them can lead to irreversible injury or even loss of fingers and toes. Understanding how your body surrenders to cold is your first line of defense. Protect every inch of skin, layer up, and never underestimate the power of prevention. In the battle against cold, awareness and preparation are your greatest allies. Frostbite attacks the extremities, but hypothermia invades your core. It starts subtly, shivering, tiredness, confusion, but quickly becomes deadly. As your core temperature drops, your brain falters. You may feel warm, even strip off clothes. The urge to sleep is overwhelming, but it's a sleep you may never wake from. Recognize the signs: violent shivering, clumsiness, slurred speech. If you see these, act fast. Get the person warm and dry. Never ignore confusion or stumbling in the cold. Early intervention saves lives. Your best defense is the 3-layer clothing system. The base layer wicks moisture. Choose wool or synthetics, never cotton. The middle layer insulates. Fleece or down traps warm air. The outer shell blocks wind and water. Keep it waterproof and windproof with a hood. Each layer has a job: wick, insulate, protect. Adjust thickness for conditions, but never skip a layer. This system is your wearable shelter. Dress smart and you'll stay warm and safe. In icy cities, falling is as dangerous as freezing. The penguin walk is your secret. Short, shuffling steps, knees bent, feet out, arms wide. Keep your center of gravity over your feet. Don't rush. Assume every shiny patch is ice. Keep hands out of pockets for balance. Move slowly and deliberately. A simple change in gait can prevent serious injury. Adapt and you'll stay upright and safe. When it comes to staying warm in harsh winter conditions, the little things make a big difference. Start with your feet. Choose insulated, waterproof boots to keep out moisture and cold, and always wear non-cotton socks. Cotton holds on to sweat and can actually make your feet colder, so opt for wool or synthetic materials that wick moisture away and keep you dry. For your hands, mittens are a smarter choice than gloves because they keep your fingers together, sharing warmth and reducing heat loss. Thick, insulated mittens are best for truly frigid days. Don't forget your head and neck. A wool or fleece hat traps heat, while a scarf or gaiter shields your neck and face from biting winds and frostbite. Covering your nose and mouth with a scarf or gaiter also helps warm the air you breathe, making it easier on your lungs and helping your body retain heat. Hydration is often overlooked in winter, but cold air can dehydrate you just as quickly as summer heat. Drink water regularly and use an insulated bottle to keep it from freezing. It's tempting to reach for alcohol to warm up, but it only gives a false sense of warmth while actually lowering your core temperature and increasing your risk of hypothermia. Make sure your boots and gloves aren't too tight. Restricted circulation can make your extremities colder and more prone to frostbite. Loosen them if needed and massage your hands or feet to boost blood flow. Layering is key. Each piece of clothing traps air and adds insulation. Zip up jackets, adjust scarves, and make sure every gap is covered before heading outside. By mastering these finer points and paying attention to every detail, you'll be ready to outlast even the harshest winter storms. Your body burns calories fast in the cold. Fuel it with high-energy foods like nuts, cheese, and whole grains. Hot drinks warm you inside and out, but never use outdoor grills indoors. Carbon monoxide kills. Know where your nearest warming centre is before a storm hits. Prepare your home block drafts, gather everyone in one room if the heat fails, and share blankets. Shared warmth is survival. Preparation isn't weakness, it's wisdom. In a crisis, small steps make a huge difference. Plan ahead, and you'll weather any storm. The blizzard will pass, but its lessons must remain. Knowledge, layering, safe movement, recognizing danger makes us resilient. We are part of nature, not above it. True strength is preparation and respect. Share these lessons with your family. Practice them together. Make preparedness a habit, not a reaction. Pledge to look out for each other. Community is our greatest warmth. In the end, survival is about caring for one another. Before you brave your next adventure, don't forget to join our growing community. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss tips that could keep you and your loved ones safe. Your journey to preparedness doesn't end here. Let's face every challenge together. Subscribe now and be ready for whatever nature has in store.